Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Takesha and today I'm going to be introducing you guys to a new black owned hair company. Okay, 2020 is the year of buy black, shop black, support black businesses, and I want to put you on to a black owned hair business. Please make sure, guys, try to support black when you can. So this company is called Donmily Hair, and today I have 3 bundles of their loose wave. And I'm super excited because I've never had a loose weave before. Look how beautiful the curl is. So here is their tag with all of their information, including their social media. And on the back, there's a lot of hair care tips. And I have 22, 20, and 18. And I also have 18-inch frontal right here. And it is also pre-plucked. So that is a freaking plus for me, since that's less work for me. I like to pluck my frontals regardless if they're pre-plucked or not, just because it's my preference. But if you don't like plucking frontals, honestly, you can really just work with how this is right now. It is super nice. Like, my fingers are gliding through. No tangles, no shedding. Nope. Super nice quality hair, guys. So I'm going to be bleaching the knots on this frontal, and then I'm going to be making a wig with the 3 bundles and this frontal. And yeah, and before I forget, they also included these beautiful lashes, and here are the lashes. Like, they're super cute. These aren't super dramatic, but they're also like a little more than, like, you know, your average Ardell wispy lashes. And yeah, let's get on to the video. So what I like to do is take some Gossipy spray and just spray it on the hairline, and then I'll brush it back. So I like to make sure that all the hairs are pushed back, so when it comes time for me to bleach the knots, none of the hair strands are in the way so they don't get accidentally bleached. So I'll be using BW2 powder bleach and a 30 volume developer to bleach my knots. So because I'm out of shimmer lights, which is what I usually use, I'm going to use this different purple shampoo, and it's the L'Oreal Evercolor Brass Toning Purple Conditioner. So I'm going to shampoo it with normal shampoo, and then I'm going to condition it with this and leave this on for a while. And then after leaving it on, it's going to take out all the brassiness and all the orange out of the frontal, and it's gonna look beautiful and it's gonna look so cute. So I'm back now. The hair is somewhat damp, but the knots are now bleached. So because this is pre-plucked already, it kind of already has like a nice base to start out with the hairline, but I'm going to customize it the way that I like it. So my method is basically part the hair, pluck, keep parting, pluck, part again, pluck, and then I come back to the hairline and make it not so like shaped like this, but pluck like throughout the hairline to make it like a little more sparse. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I've created the wig. Here it is. And I did it off camera because I haven't created one in a while, a long time, so I didn't really want to record it because I knew it would take a long time. Anyways, here is how the wig is looking on me. Here is the hairline so far. The frontal lays down so nice already. I didn't even have to put a hot comb through it yet. And I know I'm gonna be able to do like the half up, half down hairstyles like really effortlessly. So because my hairline isn't like shaped like the way the frontal is shaped, the frontal is more like of like a squarish, and my hairline is more of like an oval. I'm I'm gonna have some hairs like sticking out. Like I'm gonna have like these small hairs sticking out, like, but that's how I've always had it to be. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something a little different because I don't actually like the ear flap part. It's so where you have to like glue them down and make sure they don't come back up. I think I'm gonna do a method that I saw on YouTube where someone just like cuts the lace in a way where they can just use their natural sideburns instead of making it with the lace, because I feel like at this point that'll be the much better option for me. Obviously, like, my sideburns won't be this curly, they'll be like laid down and slicked, but I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Hey y'all, so I am done styling this hair and it looks so good. Here's how the hairline turned out. I definitely need to learn how to do a better job with baby hairs, but this is the best I could do for now, but I also think it's not that bad. Please don't mind the sideburns too much. I can't find my edge control and I have no idea where it is, so I cannot slay that edge. So I'm really loving this hair, like the frontal, guys. The frontal is so nice. It's so lightweight, like so easy for me to mend. I didn't really need to use the hot comb too much to lay the frontal down because it's already like so versatile as it is and so light. I'm also going to like wet the hair as well so you guys can see how it looks in its natural state. So let me do something with my face real quick and put on their lashes so you guys can see how their lashes look as well. I'm back and I look good. I did my makeup a bit and here are the lashes. They're like They're not too glam like all up in your face, like fluttery, but they're a little more than just natural. They're like right in the middle. They're also very lightweight, so if you don't like lashes because they might feel heavy on your lids, these will do you. Oh my god, y'all. I am feeling myself. I am really feeling myself. It's been so, like, I don't think I've ever done a side part with a frontal wig. Y'all, I am living. I am living. When I tell y'all this is a good frontal, it's a great frontal.
Don't forget to use my coupon code Keisha15 for 15% off of your order at zyhaircompany.com.
So tell me what you think. Tell me if you like the hair. You know, it's cute. It's nice. And this is from a black-owned hair company, Zy Hair Company. Please check them out. Please show them your support because honestly, this hair and these lashes, nobody can tell me that this don't look good. Nobody can tell me. If you can tell me it don't look good, you're a hater. I feel like a bad bitch. So make sure you guys head over to Zy Hair Company social medias and website. Support them. They're a black-owned company. They support Black Lives Matter. They have great product, great customer service. They also support the LGBTQIA community. So, you know, they're for the people. Please support black-owned businesses when you can. I cannot stress that enough. I myself own a black-owned business. Here to plug. Go check us out. But yeah, I feel like it's so crucial right now, especially in these times, to just support our people, you know, uplift them, encourage them. There is enough success to go around, and I want to make sure everybody eats, you know, I want to make sure everybody's good. So yeah, if you want to look like a bad bitch too, head over to Zy Hair Company. So it's getting pretty hot in here, so I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'm gonna be back on my YouTube-ish, right? I'm gonna be posting every week or every other week, but I'm not playing games. I'm serious. I'm making sure I free my schedule. I'm working on my time management. I'm gonna make sure I get this done right, and I'm gonna be consistent, all right? I'm gonna be consistent. So stay tuned for more videos and more vlogs. Bye.